Today I repaired this Lg air conditioner, and this air conditioner is sounded like Normande, so you know. And I repaired this fan, but I must put cover. Here we go, and this is a fan. And there's the Lg air conditioner. So look, I didn't put anything here. There's a cable. My wings. No filter in it. No display in it. See, no display here. There's a gas input. I cut it, and you know, here's a pressure system over here, and it sounds like Normande. And this is a fan right here. It's for running. And also there's Lg, a logo. And you know, this is with inverter fan. And there's with gas input. See, it's called Wacky 17. And this is my iPhone 7 here. And there's a motor in here. It's a wheeling. And look, there's a wheeling input here. And I'm installing it. I'm install cover tomorrow. So, how this before, right? So, thanks for watching. We're so scared of sound.